Well, the guy a lot of people will stay around in a blowout game just to hope that he comes into the ball game. Flame-throwing Aroldis Chapman comes in, 7th game for Aroldis. He sat out the last few games. Oh, toothpicks for sale.
Well, Correa did not swing and miss, I don't believe, while he was up there at all. That one hit 106. That would be a new record for the hardest pitch ever thrown. He set the mark last year just over 105. That one on the guns at 106. Got him at a mere 102. Is it different with this guy when they come back? What's it like up there? What's he throw? Is it a little different because he throws so darn hard?
Well, I think they'll come back and say gas.
1-2-3, 9th inning for Aroldis Chapman.